Did you know that pigs are the only animals known to engage in coprophagy, the act of consuming their own feces? It's a curious behavior, and its implications extend beyond the barnyard. Contrary to popular belief, indulging in pork may not be as beneficial to human health as once thought. In fact, there's a myriad of reasons why you might want to think twice before digging into that pork chop. Let's start with immunity. While some may believe that consuming pork can bolster the immune system, the reality is quite the opposite. Regular consumption of pig meat has been linked to a weakening of the immune system in humans. This might come as a surprise, given the common misconception that pork is a source of immune-boosting nutrients. Furthermore, pork is a potent allergen, capable of eliciting strong allergic reactions in susceptible individuals. From hives to respiratory distress, the spectrum of pork-related allergic responses can be severe and far-reaching. It's a stark reminder that not all meats are created equal when it comes to allergic potential. But the problems with pork don't end there. Unlike meat from other animals, pork fails to stimulate growth in humans as it interferes with hormone balance. The hormones present in pork can disrupt the regular secretion and metabolism of hormones in the human body, leading to a cascade of physiological imbalances. One of the most concerning aspects of pork consumption is its impact on cardiovascular health. The high concentration of blood fats in pork poses a significant risk to heart health. These fats can rapidly accumulate in arteries, leading to atherosclerosis, heart disease, and an increased risk of heart attacks. It's a sobering reminder of the importance of dietary choices in maintaining a healthy heart. And then there's lard, a common component of pork. Lard contains a toxic substance known as sutoxin, which can have adverse effects on the body. Regular consumption of pork has been linked to conditions such as angina, with some individuals experiencing severe swelling in their throats, earning them the unfortunate nickname of pigs. Moreover, histamine and imidazole present in pork meat can trigger a range of skin conditions in frequent consumers. From eczema to itching to neurodermatitis, the skin-related consequences of pork consumption can be uncomfortable and persistent. But perhaps one of the most alarming trends associated with pork consumption is its correlation with obesity and diabetes. Take a look at countries where pork is a dietary staple, and you'll notice a significant link between high pork consumption and rising rates of obesity and diabetes. It's a stark reminder that not all meats are created equal when it comes to their impact on metabolic health. And let's not forget about the parasitic worms, known as finna, sometimes found in pork. These worms can wreak havoc on the digestive system, leading to symptoms ranging from mild discomfort to severe illness. Unlike their counterparts in cow meat, these worms are resilient and can withstand lower cooking temperatures. While beef-infected fins can be easily treated, those from pork pose a greater challenge due to their resistance to external agents requiring years to combat. Imagine this. As you savor that delicious pork dish, think about the hidden dangers lurking inside. Beyond their appetizing taste, pigs serve as reservoirs for zoonotic diseases, waiting to jump to unsuspecting humans through their meat. But that's not all. Pigs are devoid of jealousy, and people who eat pork lose their sense of jealousy. Enter sulfur, an ominous ingredient abundant in pork. With every bite, you invite this element into your body, triggering a cascade of consequences. As the sulfur builds up in the delicate cartilage of your intervertebral joints, it becomes a ticking time bomb, ready to explode in the form of joint discomfort such as twisting and pain. Stop and think. Is the fleeting pleasure of pork worth the potential damage it can do to your health and well-being?